Good morning, students. Today in class 8 chemistry, we'll study in the chapter lesson 9 carbon and its compounds. We'll study about the greenhouse effect. In the previous class, I told you about some of the greenhouse gases. What are the greenhouse gases? We all know that the greenhouse gases are the carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and nitrous oxide. So mostly the greenhouse gas is the carbon dioxide, but a small amount of methane is also present. That also is a greenhouse gas, and water vapor as well as nitrogen oxide. So today we'll study in detail what is greenhouse effect and how it is important for the living organisms, and what is happening to the Earth's atmosphere because of the excess amount of the release of carbon dioxide gas. So first of all, we you see this diagram. It is showing the greenhouse effect. So here what happens actually? This is the sun. Sun emits some short wave infrared radiation, and this goes to the Earth's atmosphere. And in the second case, what happens? This Earth's surface absorbs the radiation, gets heated, and re-emits this infrared radiation which comes from the sun at longer wavelength. And in the third case, what happens? These longer wavelength infrared radiations emitted by the Earth's surface, making the planet warm. So in these three processes, you can understand what is greenhouse effect. Actually, the greenhouse effect, it is a natural phenomena. We all know that the carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere, and the infrared rays which comes from the sun, they are absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere, and when this heat of the Earth's atmosphere come back to the Earth, it makes the planet warm. But because of the excess release of the carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere due to pollution after the industrial revolution, you all know that many industries are opened, and after this percentage of the concentration of carbon dioxide has increased. So because of that, the planet, that is Earth, has become more warmer, and because of that, what is happening, that it is causing means it is affecting the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is actually important for us because all the living organisms which are present on the Earth, so this greenhouse effect makes the planet warm, and it is good for all the living organisms on this Earth. But as I told you, that due to the industries, this type of gases like nitrogen oxide or carbon dioxide, the concentration of the carbon dioxide is increasing due to pollution. So what happens? The Earth is becoming more warmer and more warmer. Means it leads to global warming, and global warming, you all know that it is causing more heat in the Earth's atmosphere, and due to the effect of the global warming, the polar ice caps, have started melting, and due to the pollution has increased so much that the glaciers have started melting, and at one time, what will happen if the pollution goes on in this speed? Then the polar ice will be melt, or whole glaciers will melt, and the whole sea and the oceans will be means filled with the water. It will overflow, and the Earth can also be submerged in the water because of this. So there will be no life. So this is the main effect of the means it is affecting the greenhouse effect, which is important for all the living organism, because the carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere, they absorb the heat radiations which comes from the sun. And what happens, these infrared rays which are coming from the sun, which are emitting from the heat rays of the sun, they are entering the Earth's atmosphere, and this heat energy which is emitted by the sun, this is absorbed by the Earth's surface, and again from the Earth's surface they re-emits, and then this infrared radiation will be again at longer wavelength, it will be transferred to the atmosphere. And what happens, some of these emitted heat rays will be passes through the atmosphere back into the space, and some of them will be absorbed by the Earth. So what will happen by the carbon dioxide which is present in the atmospheres in the planet Earth? So what will happen? This trap the heat within the Earth's atmosphere, and Earth become more warmer. So what happens? This is only called, when the Earth become warm, this is only called greenhouse effect. But if it is becoming more warmer because of the excess of the carbon dioxide gas, that is only the main effect of the greenhouse effect, which can lead to the destruction of the living organisms, as well as the whole planet will be submerged in the water if the amount of CO2 will increase more in the atmosphere, and the glaciers or the polar ice will melt, and the whole life will perish. So this is about the greenhouse effect. You study with the help of this diagram and draw this diagram also along with the labeling how it is causing the greenhouse effect. Thanks for